Hi, and welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. So today, I'm going to be working on, well, I'm going to be unboxing something, which is this giant box that I have here, which is from NM Engineering, which is based in Southern California. This shipped yesterday and arrived today. So get that out of here. So what we have here is an NM rear sway bar for the F56, which would be the 2014 Plus Mini Cooper. So they make two different variations of the sway bar. They have a 22 millimeter and a 25 millimeter. This is the 22, which is kind of the standard one. It comes in any color as long as it's blue. And like I said, it shipped out and arrived very quickly. Now, there are a number of companies that make rear sway bars for the Mini Cooper. It's considered to be one of the best suspension upgrades that you can do. But NM is the one that I chose to go with because I've liked all of their products so far. Their lowering springs, their intake. I think that they build good products and they specialize. I mean, realistically, they have a company that's just for Mini and they have a company that's just for Volkswagen. So here's what it looks like unwrapped. It is adjustable. There's two different stiffness settings. So one is supposed to be closer to factory, but still stiffer. And the other one is going to be even more stiff. Did come with instructions as well. I added these to the order. So this doesn't normally come in the box. This is a sway bar by itself, and it's about $300. These are rear sway bar end links. So these are adjustable end links to connect the sway bar to the factory suspension. The factory end links are plastic. So these add adjustability, and also they're metal. And the idea is that once you get a stiffer sway bar, if you use the plastic end links, they are very weak, and you'll end up with some flex in the chassis because of that. And then the sway bar did come with, these are upgraded or new boots that are designed to work with the factory retainers. But NM actually makes upgraded retainers, which I already have. They came in a separate order. So they are here. These are $100 or $129 or something thereabouts. And these are billet aluminum clamps with the 22 millimeter bushings, and they have a grease zerk here so that you can grease them with a grease gun. This weekend I'm going to be doing an installation. We'll be putting on this rear sway bar, these new sway bar mounts to mount it to the chassis, and these new end links, and getting everything installed in the car. So it should be a pretty easy job to do. Reading through the instructions, it seems fairly simple, but I'll record it and I'll do a video on it. But here's the unboxing, and I think the products are really good. They're wrapped well. There's no, it's not all beat up and bent and dinged and crappy. I will say that these sway bars have been on back order for a long time. So my recommendation is that if you want one of these, get it ordered and wait for it to come in, and then they will ship it out. They are allowing back orders. So I back ordered this a couple weeks ago. It shipped out yesterday. It arrived today. So that's all I've got. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.